With the release of SolidWorks 2019, I wanted to showcase some of the added features that are making the program more user-friendly for workflows involving wood projects. There are many ways to make assemblies when it comes to wood projects. Users are typically taught in entry-level SolidWorks courses to take each individual part, model it, and create an assembly with mates. While this gets the job done, there are some easier and more powerful workflows available to users, as well as some commands that make furniture and cabinetry much simpler to model, design, and iterate upon. The first technique I want to highlight is that using multi-body techniques like what is pictured here for flat designs is a huge benefit within SolidWorks in getting multiple flats to change simultaneously during the design process. Driving one-of-a-kind flats like this one for a one-off design is easy and gives you design freedom. Even curved surfaces like this lounge chair can be flattened using the Flatten Surface command to get wood wrappings to work in manufacturing. Another huge benefit is the Tab and Slot command and its 2019 enhancements. With the Tab and Slot command, you can group and add slots to both bodies in the joint simultaneously and get the notches to line up the first time. You can group slots like this one along multiple edges in the middle or edge of a part. This works in both multi-body parts and assemblies, and it is invaluable for matching components together for fluid design work. For more advanced assemblies, we can use 3D sketching to create even more complicated designs by creating a skeleton feature that drives the models, whether they are flat built or built using standard lumber. For flat built, the sketches can be created right on the skeleton frame and tied to the overall driving dimensions. Using the cut list properties to spit out drawings and assembly guides is easier, because by designing the model as a multi-body, the need to create an assembly is almost non-existent because the drawing can use the cut list properties of the multi-body. No mates, no assemblies required for this design. For more complicated designs, the framing can be created as a part and inserted into an assembly, and then purchased hardware can be added into the assembly to minimize the mating users need to do, saving an immense amount of time in the process. Using these techniques, SolidWorks has accelerated the time to manufacturing for furniture companies and engineers who design wood products. Thanks for watching TPM's 3-Minute Thursdays, and we'll see you next time.